Have you ever wondered how to do the adjustments for the ESD chair? Well, after this video you will know how to do it, and at the end of the video I will go through few things what are good to know if you are purchasing new chair. And now let's dive into it. Let's start by adjusting the height of the chair. In this Treston chair we have an adjustment on the right side of the chair. Use the level and go to the height when the legs are solidly at the ground and there is no pressure at the kneecap. After this, change your swift bit so the thighs are in horizontal plane. This adjustment can be found on the left side. Then adjust the backrest angle so that it's comfortable to lean on to it. This handle on the right side does the stuff. If you want to change the elevation of the backrest, just pull under the backrest and there is a certain amount of the clicks how high you can get. After this it resets, and when you push backrest downwards it will going to go to lowest point. When you have a good support on the backrest, then all the lumbar spine is nicely supported. Adjust height of the elbow rest to good height that your shoulders are relaxed and the elbows are nicely top of the rests. If you want to change the depth of the rest or make different angles, you can do it in this chair. When the good height for the elbows are set, then get the measuring tape, check the height of the anterior upper part of the elbow rest and then adjust your work desk to same height. There you go. But if you are planning to buy the chair for yourself, then it's good to check few heights for the chair using the measuring tape. Put your ESD shoes on and check how many centimeters or inches from the floor is to kneecap. After having this measured, check the chair info how low does it goes. If there is a multiple users of the same setup, then measure this height from all users. If the table or workstation is way more higher and it cannot be adjusted, then try to find chair what has the leg rest ring. In those, you can easily put your legs top of it to ease the pressure from the kneecap. In the kneecap, make sure that you are able to fit 2 fingers in there. If you feel pressure under the kneecap, then try to find chair what has the seat depth adjustment. But here in this Treston chair case, there is no that kind of adjustment at all. About the backrest. Freely adjustable backrest is always better compared to certain angles where you have to choose it from. If there are levels of angles and if they don't match to you, then you don't get good feeling. So prefer to have free range of adjustments. If you feel that the elbows is way too laterally or medially at elbow rest, it would be good to have some sort of range adjustment also in these directions. If the workstation or desk is manually adjustable, then check the proper height for the desk at the anterior part of the elbow rest and do the changes if only one person is using the desk. If there are multiple users, try to find good compromises so all can fit themselves to the station. With these instructions you can get your working cells to fit better your needs. If you are eager to check what I have also covered in ergonomic related playlist, click here. And if you want to hear about the benefits of the good ergonomics, click here. See you at the next one.